Hello everyone, this is Chris from GPC Forex Academy. I'm here to give a trade review for British Pound US Dollar for week 18 and a trade forecast for week 19. So let's go to the trade review. For trade review for week 18, the high for the week was on a Monday, the low for the week was on a Thursday. That was the low for the week. And on Thursday, interest rate news was released and remained the same. And on this very Thursday, the low actually swept the previous week's low, which is week 17, and price was taken to the upside. And it gave a candlestick that I like, bullish engulfing, first bullish engulfing, second bullish engulfing, but second bullish engulfing swept the first bullish engulfing, the low, then equally swept the previous week's low, then gave a bullish engulfing again, and price was into the upside. Then on Thursday, within this very zone, this candlestick in particular, the GDP news was released from the British economy and it was positive, greater than expected. I took a buy, and of course, I was taken out of the market. Then, of course, I took another buy. I will tell you why I took another buy. Now, we know that on the lower time frame, we're actually bearish and we're supposed to be doing, we're supposed to be selling, but I'm not looking to actually sell the market. I know that for us to actually buy the market, this very zone here has to be violated, which is 1.2634 will have to be violated, and probably price will come back to this very zone that was supposed to sell for a buy confirmation. I know that is what one is supposed to do. Now, I think this very zone here we validated because of price that spent too much time here for a whole day. What we have produced is a time-based liquidity. So I think this very zone will not hold because this very zone has become weak. This very zone has become mitigated. What I'm expecting price to do is that when price comes to this very zone, to immediately sell, not to spend too much time here. Price is simply building liquidity, so price may most likely take out the sellers that are here. Of course, that is my opinion. Okay, let me move to the daily and share with you why I think that we're bullish and we should be getting ready for a buy. Apart from the fact that news coming from the business economy showing fundamentally that we're actually recovering from a technical recession, and news coming from the US economy showing that we're actually not really doing so good from the US economy, though the week 18 actually closed more bearish than bullish. But I'm just taking that with a pinch of salt. So let me move to the daily and show you some things that I think, um, some things that saw on the chart. Okay, for week 18, no, for this very week now, we want to forecast for week 19. Let me just say what this. So this is the daily time frame, and we're having a high, we're having a low, higher, higher, low, higher, low, and we're having higher high. Now there was a break of structure to the low, to the downside. Now the thing about this very break is that this very break is kind of like very, very dicey. Dicey in the sense that now there was a break, but what happened was that it was this very inbound that attracted price to this very zone here. So we cannot necessarily say that we are actually fully bearish because of this imbalance. This imbalance will have to be swept out completely for us to say we're actually very bearish on the daily. So we can't say that we're actually bearish on the daily. So this is what price did. Price came back to this very zone here, and in this very zone here, what we're having a position between bullish and bearish, because this very zone here, if this is a support here, was that price has broken into this very support, and I'm saying that since price has taken too much a time here, price may most likely go to the upside. Let me come to the 1 hour and show you a number of things. On the 1 hour, if I come here, okay, on the 1 hour, this is what we have on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, price gave me this. Of course, the news was released on Friday, GDP positive. So I'm thinking that since we're having time-based liquidity here, price may be swept out, price may sweep out this very soon. And of course, on Tuesday, claiming report is going to be released. And if the claiming report is actually positive, price may be going to the upside. But technically, for us to actually be bullish, because this is actually the price was actually priced into this price moved into a higher time frame supply zone, which was on the 4 hours, for price to come to this very side. So price will definitely have to take this very high out here, which is 1.2635 thereabout, for price to act for us to have to be bullish the um on the lower time frame. So what I'm expecting price to do is price will do something like this. Price should do something like this. Then probably come here, then before we can now say probably we can actually be looking for a buy. But from the fundamental aspect, I would say that we should be looking for a buy. But that's my own opinion. And one thing about the market, that one can never say what will happen, because there's no prophet of the market. You can give all your forecast and you can just simply be wrong. Please, on the comment side, you can actually give me your own opinion on this trade forecast. So let's see how week 19 actually plays out.